Hello friends, welcome to Ratna's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to share with you one of the famous recipes from India. It's called Baigan ka Bhartha. It's done with an eggplant, the speciality of this recipe is usually it is done in a smoky flavor. So I'm going to show you how to make a smoky flavored Baigan ka Bhartha. Very easy and a quick way of making it with very less ingredients, and it is a vegan recipe as well. So I'll show you the basic ingredients we need for this. We are using an eggplant here, green chilies there, and some red onion, garlic, lemon, tomatoes, and fresh coriander. So as I go preparing this recipe, I'll show you the other ingredients. So let's start the process. So here we are. What I'm going to do is I have got all laid out here, which is going to go into the oven. We are going to put the eggplant in the oven, green chilies and garlic. You can see how much garlic I'm using. These are going to taste so tasty once they are grilled and oven baked. They bring out the sweetness from it, and 2 tomatoes and green chilies. So first I'm going to apply oil on all of these. So as you can see, I have applied oil to all these ingredients here. The reason I have applied oil is because the oil is going to keep the natural moisture of these vegetables inside intact, and all of them are going to cook very evenly, and at the same time they will cook perfectly. So now this process is done, so let's put them in the oven. So I put it in a griller mode, and then I put it under 220 degrees, and we are going to just leave them there for half an hour. After half an hour, we'll come back and have a look. So it's been 15 minutes, so let's just check what's happening in there. So it's almost half an hour. It's done. Have a look at it. So it's all ready now. So have a look at all the ingredients cooked to the perfection. So let's just peel the eggplant and start preparing the bhartha. So I'm going to just remove the stem here. Have a look at how beautifully it's cooked to the perfection. So it's we're going to prepare everything right now. So let's just chop the chilies as well. So beautiful smoky flavor is coming out from these chilies because of the grilling. So all the ingredients are ready now. So let's put the pan on the stove with some oil and start making the bhartha. To the hot oil, I'm going to add a little bit of cumin, and then I'm going to add a 1/4 spoon of a turmeric powder. Once I add the turmeric powder, I'm going to add one full red onion chopped into small pieces, and we're going to fry this until it is translucent. Now to this, let's add grilled tomato pieces, and then just mix it all up together. And to this, I'm going to add one big teaspoon of garlic ginger paste, and mix it again. This is 1 spoon of garlic ginger, and then I'm going to add 1 spoon of cumin powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder, and I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, and just mix it all up nicely and let it fry for 1 or 2 minutes until the rawness goes away. And for this, I'm going to add now the green chilies which have been grilled. So it's beautiful smoky flavor it has now. So I have added 3 green chilies. These chilies are not hot at all, but if you think it is too spicy, you can add up to your taste. So let me add the grilled garlic as well now. So all the grilled ingredients are added to this pot right now. Only one remaining is the eggplant, so we will add that soon. Let's just fry it a little bit, this one. Let's add 1 teaspoon of salt to this, up to your taste, whatever is required. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon, and let's mix it again. Okay, so now it's time to add the grilled eggplant. So let's add all the chopped eggplant to this. It's nice and juicy eggplant, and mix it all up. Okay, for this, some people do like to add red chili powder, which I'm not going to use today because we are using a fresh green chilies, grilled chilies. So I'm just going to keep that flavor of the green chilies for this bhartha today. So we'll cook it for 5 minutes under low flame. So it's been cooking away for 5 minutes, and now I'm going to add half a lemon juice. Lemon juice is going to bring a nice fresh flavor, and to this we are adding some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves as well. And we are going to use a food smasher to smash everything into it. The garlic, the coriander, a lemon juice. The reason we are smashing it is we want it all to mix it nicely and evenly. So if you have a potato smasher, you can use that as well. It's all done now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add extra smoky flavor to this. For this, I've been heating up a coal on the stove. For this, I'm going to put a small dish now into the bhartha right now to put the coal in there. So let me just bring out the dish. Okay, to this I'm going to put this already heated up coal, which has been heating up for a while, at least 5 minutes. I think it's all red. And now we're going to pour some oil on top of it to bring the smokiness, and then quickly close the lid, and then I'm going to turn the stove off now, and then leave it with the closed lid for 5 minutes for the bhartha to catch the whole smokiness. And then I'm going to dish the bhartha out. So here it is, my friends, the famous Baigan ka bhartha, which is made with the eggplant. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did enjoy, please do try my recipe and let me know in the comment section your experience. I hope you all will love it. If you like this, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be coming back with many more exciting recipes. So I'll be seeing you soon.